Hey, what's going on? You caught me working on the user interface for the Lost Orcs. Come on over here and I'll show you what I'm working on. That's a little too close. There you go. What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show a quick update on my game that I'm working on called the Lost Orcs. It's really just a mini devlog, and I want to go over some of the title screen that I've been creating. And I apologize, the development seems a bit slow. I've hit a couple bumps along the road, but I'm getting there. So you'll see here as you hover over buttons, I'm using in a component called iTween, which allows me to do some scaling, and when I click, it moves buttons in a way like that. So you'll see as you hover over buttons, there's some scaling going on. When you click, I do like this punch animation, and then we have some toggle options here, some animations as the pop-ups appear. And then one of the things I wanted to show you is when you hit play, I have this little door open up, and then it just kind of, zooms in. So let me go ahead and show you that. Then it goes to the loading screen, and then I've been working on like this little tutorial to try to show off how to run the game. As you see, you click through the little dialogue options. Here are some of the buttons that you can use to give the orcs actions to help solve the puzzle. So this is the user interface down here below, and we'll start with, say, like this is the hammer action. That'll appear like this, and when an orc hovers over it, it gives it a cool hammer that can smash through walls. And then you have this lifesaver that when clicked and the orc hovers over this, it get a little lifesaver, so it could float on the water. So we have that action, and then this one sort of gives them speed when they hover over it, so they can avoid fast-moving obstacles, things like that, or hit a switch to open up a door. And then we also have this one, which allows them to build bridges over gaps in the level. And then here we have the little tiles where you can actually build things. So right here is the grass tile, so you can add this to the level when clicked, and you can stack them too. And then this little button right here gives the orcs the ability to add stairs to the game, so they can sort of walk on top of things and avoid obstacles. And then this right here is the direction arrow that when placed, the orcs will go in the direction that the arrow is showing, and when you click them, you can rotate them. Have these little rotation buttons right here that can be used to rotate the levels in the different left to right direction. This is what the losing screen looks like, and this is what happens when you win a level. And then this is the pop-up that appears when you pause the game. I'm gonna rush. What if I don't want to wait for the orcs to finish the puzzle, or I want to speed up the game in some way? To speed up the game, you just click this little fast forward button, and it'll allow you to speed it up to about 4 times the speed of the game. So now you don't have to wait. Nice. For the level menu, we have a bunch of menu items inside a grid. It scales when you hover over them, and then the stars represent the percentage of the level that you finish. So I think it's 30% is 1 star, 70% is gold stars, and then when you reach above 90%, then you get the 3 stars. And you can always go back, and when you click one of these, it'll go directly to the loading screen and then right to the level. Thanks for watching another devlog of the Lost Orcs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions about the game, definitely post down below. And if this is the first devlog you've seen of this game, definitely check out the previous episodes to see the progression. I'm hoping to release this at some point next year. I will definitely keep you updated. And thanks again for watching. Have a good one.